also, I wanted to add regarding the people who always want to help. One example are the OFWs, okay? So, punta ka sa ibang bansa, magtatrabaho ka, magpapadala ka ng laging maraming-maraming pera sa kamag-anak, and then all of a sudden magpo-post ka, hirap na ako, ito lang kinakain ko." So that is called suffering, 'di ba? But the bottom line is you are resenting the people you are helping. Ang dami kong nakikita, 'di ba, makikita mo post ng mga OFW, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And then they are not aware that they're building resentment to the people na gustong-gusto nilang tulungan at mahal na mahal nila because they are suffering inside. 'Di ba kaya nga nagkaroon ng you always have to put your cup full para kung ano yung umaawas, yun lang ang ibibigay mong tulong. Para kapag tinulong mo yung umaawas na yun, kahit anong gawin nila sa tinulong mo, your cup is full, hindi ka maapektuhan. Remember that.